Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today I am doing a continuation on fixing up this treats cart, and what I needed to do was spray paint it. So I probably have maybe like 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour of daytime left. So guess what? I'm going out here and try to get it done real quick. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Be right back. Alright guys, here I am. I'm about to spray it up. Hopefully this spray paint works. Let me see. Nope, it ain't doing what I needed to do. Sat too long. Got a brand new can right here. Get this thing to do what I needed to do. And bam. Alright, we got action. Oh, my head all in the way. And these little imperfections on the corners and stuff, you can't see them from where you are, but I'm going to fix that too. I might have to turn it upside down and paint it. I'll probably have to do more than one coat, I'm sure. And it's a little breezy out here too, so all my paint is flying over towards the trees. Wish I could do this inside with proper ventilation, you know, but it's not gonna go like that, especially not with my mom here in her condition. My mother is a cancer patient, so we have to be careful what we're doing around here, what we bring into the house, who comes in and what's wrong with you. Like we're not like the police or anything, but you know, just real careful. Y'all, told y'all about the mosquitoes out here are treacherous. Let me close my little door, because I ain't trying to go back up in here and get bit up. Alright guys, I'm going to finish spray painting this up and I'll be back with you guys on the inside. Hey guys, I'm back, and while the cart is drying, and actually it's almost dark outside, hope mosquitoes aren't getting stuck to it. But anyway, I'm coming back to you guys with my handy dandy trusty party pump. Yes. So this time we're going to try the attachment that has the for a single balloon. Ooh. Okay. Let me shut my door. Alright. This thing gets loud. So, this is the attachment piece. This was separate. Put it on like that. Oh, I see a skeeter up in here. One got in. He probably gonna get me a couple times before I get him. I'm scratching and digging now. Alright, so let's try it. Let's try it. And these are the attachments. So this is the one that I want to use. And let's see what it do. Ooh, I hope it worked. Alright guys, here it go. Duh. I forgot to turn the dial around for the... There. Alright, now. Let's see what it do. Yes, honey, it works. I'm happy. Yes. Only thing about this though, you gotta tie him up. That's alright, I can do that. I can do that. I am not mad about that. Let's try another one. Oh, I like that. Y'all, it's over. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'm happy. I am happy. The only thing is, it doesn't have a gauge on it, so it doesn't, you have to know when to stop it, evidently. Like I said, you count to 40, and if you have a 12-inch balloon, you count 12-inch diameter size balloons, you count to 40. So I guess if you have one that's bigger, 16-inch or bigger, you count longer. I wasn't counting. I was just taking it from the top of my head. But yeah, so that is what I'm going to be doing. Let's see what this orange looks like. This is an orange. Can't see it that good. The type of orange it is. Alright, let's see compared to this orange. This is more like a creamy orange. There. But I want to see what it looks like blown up. Here we go. Not bad. It's a nice color. Ooh. There's a lot of tail on it to tie it up. It's nice. Alright, let's try the other orange, the darker orange. Ooh, this is stiffer. The tail is stiffer. Alright. This is the difference between the two oranges as far as color. I might use them both. Anyway, just want to do that little quick review real quick. Ooh, you know what? I wonder if it'll blow up these little skinny. Let me see. It might be too much. Let's try. Let's try it. Alright, here it goes. I don't think I did something right. Wait a minute. It's on. It's in place. Alright, let's try that again. it didn't do anything. You have to hold it. Oh, I got it now. What you do is you pull, you stretch it, and that's how it blows up. Got it. Bingo. Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna let the air out. I hope when I reinflate it, it doesn't have a situation. Anyway, that was the review when the attachment for the balloons or something that's small enough to fit this nozzle. And I guess these would be for like a, what do you call those? A air bed or something big. Like I said before, the pool toys. That's what it advertises. Anyway, it works. I give it a thumbs up for sure. Alright guys, that cart might be ready. I'm going to check it out. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back and this is the cart. I'm going to have to do another coat on it, but it got dark outside on me and I'm not going to be able to do anything to it right now. I don't feel any wetness. Well, the poles are dry, but I'm still going to have to, I think I'm going to have to give it one more coat. I don't think it was done enough. And then I might just leave it just like it is. And use it as is. Maybe not. Like I said, maybe I better not. Because then once I put the decorations on it, like I said I was going to put sweet treats on it. That'll get messed up from me spray painting it again. Well, I don't know guys, I don't know. I don't want to do half of a job. So I'm going to have to spray paint it again. I'm not going to be able to do that though until tomorrow. Because I get home from work so late. And daylight doesn't last anymore. Summertime is over just about. Wintertime is coming up on us. And it's getting dark sooner. So I'll try it again tomorrow morning. And we'll finish up from there as far as spray painting. Then when I come home from work, I'll be able to do the decorations because it'll be completely dry then. So in the meantime, guys, that's it for the candy cart, treats cart. I'm going to have to leave it alone for the night. So, you know, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. You know, that thumbs up is the like. Subscribe, share, and comment below. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be able to see what I do to this cart on the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.